Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to stop or disable automatic updates in Windows 11. If you're someone who doesn't want Windows to update automatically, maybe because it slows things down, uses data, or restarts your PC at the wrong time, this tutorial will help you take full control. You'll be able to choose when and how to install updates manually. Let's get started. First, click on the Windows search bar and type Services. From the search results, click on the Services app. Once the Services window opens, you'll see a long list of different system services that Windows runs in the background. Now, to make things easier, press the W key on your keyboard. This will quickly take you to the section that starts with W. From here, scroll down until you find Windows Update. Once you find it, double-click on Windows Update to open its Properties window. You'll see a section labeled Startup Type. By default, this might be set to automatic or manual. We're going to change that. Click on the drop-down menu next to Startup Type and select Disabled. Next, look just below that where it says Service Status. If the service is currently running, click on the Stop button to stop it immediately. After that, click Apply and then OK. But there's one more important step to make sure Windows doesn't restart the update service automatically. At the top of the same Properties window, click on the Recovery tab. Here, you'll see options like first failure, second failure, and subsequent failures. By default, these are usually set to restart the service. Click on the drop-down menu next to first failure and select Take No Action. You can do the same for the other two options if you'd like. Now, click Apply and then OK again. Let's double check everything. Open Windows. Update Properties one more time and make sure the startup type is set to disabled. The service status says stopped. If both are correct, then congratulations. You've successfully stopped automatic updates on Windows 11. From now on, Windows will not install updates automatically. You can still check for updates manually anytime by going to Settings, Windows Update, and clicking Check for Updates when you're ready. This is a great option if you prefer to update your system at your own pace, especially if you have limited data or want to avoid unexpected restarts. And that's it. You've just learned how to disable automatic updates in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.